Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I'll be planning in my Big Happy Planner, and I want to use one of my Planner Society kits. I received this in April, so I'm assuming this is the April kit. I just can't remember how that worked. Anyways, I don't receive the Planner Society kits anymore because I have a stockpile of them and I just need to use up the product. But they are beautiful and I do recommend them if you've never tried the kits. So what I want to use is some of the ephemera. I really love this fan right here because it is hot right now, and it is definitely summertime. So I want to use that fan. I love that the turquoise color goes with this piece of paper, so I'm going to use, I don't think I'll use the back, maybe I'll use the back too, I'm not sure, but I definitely like this to go with it. And then I'll probably pull some of the stickers out of the sticker sheets here, and then I'm going to use this floral washi. So let's get this stuff cleared off and get started. Guys, so here's my final layout. I really love how this turned out. Turquoise is my favorite color, so when I saw this kit originally, I was in love with it. And who doesn't love a turquoise chair? Anyway, and I just love that fan there because it is super hot, so I just love that. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.